Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect and analyze the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the tantalizing world of candies with a classic favorite, Wonka Atomic Fireball Jawbreakers. These fiery little candies have been a staple for candy lovers for years. Let's take a closer look at what makes them so special. Each atomic fireball is individually wrapped, ensuring freshness and convenience.
and with a whopping 240 count in each package, you'll have plenty to share or hoard for yourself. According to the manufacturer, these Jawbreakers are crafted to perfection, offering a journey through layers of vibrant flavor. From the initial fiery kick to a satisfyingly sweet finish,
These candies leave a trail of yummy warmth in their wake. Now, let's talk specifics. These atomic fireballs come in a 4.05-pound tub, making them perfect for parties, office treats, or simply indulging your sweet tooth.
But what are people saying about these iconic candies? Well, Bipley from the United States praised the quality but lamented the rising price tag. On the other hand, Bama Road Rage couldn't get enough, describing them as addictive. Whether you're a seasoned fan or a newcomer to the world of atomic fireballs, there's no denying the allure of these fiery treats.
So why not add a touch of excitement to your day with a tub of Wonka Atomic Fireball Jawbreakers? That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, happy snacking!